Hi, I'm Maleesa Smith, Managing Editor of Content Solutions here at HousingWire, and I'm joined today by Adrian Prieto, SVP of Wholesale at Longbridge Financial, to talk about the potential benefits of HECM loans, both for homeowners and the brokers offering them. Adrian, thanks so much for joining us today.
Oh, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Home equity has been top of mind for many this year, but we're here specifically to talk about HECM. So to start, how can a HECM be an advantageous alternative to a HELOC?
Great question. I think there are several advantages between a HELOC and a home equity conversion mortgage, also known as a reverse mortgage. I'm going to pinpoint three of them, which I think kind of stand out. The first one is availability of funds. With a lender or a bank can freeze, reduce, or eliminate your access to funds at any time. We saw this happen during COVID a couple of years ago. During that period of time when that was happening in the HELOC space, reverse mortgages, that is not applicable. You're guaranteed access to your funds regardless. That stood out back then and it continues to stand out moving forward. Second is payment flexibility. With a HECM, you're not required to make monthly payments at all. With a HELOC, you are. And third is HUD counseling, which is an independent third-party counseling session that goes where a reverse mortgage borrower has to go through a third party, independent of the lender, the broker, to make sure the borrower understands the benefits, the pros and cons of getting into a reverse mortgage. That's something that's an unbiased approach, which I think really helps out. And I'll call it more of a safety. So if I'm looking at three things, it's accessibility to funds, it's payment flexibility, and it's also this counseling service, which I'll call more of a safety bucket for the borrower to go into this product.
So how can a HECM be more beneficial to homeowners, specifically those age 62 and up?
Yes, it's. I think if you're 62 years or older, you own your primary home, you're looking to access home equity safely and responsibly. The reverse mortgage offers a lot of flexibility. One of the things that people overlook when they take out a reverse mortgage is most people take it out because they're looking to increase their cash flow or they're looking to defer payments. But something that they can always use is if you want to make a monthly payment, just like a traditional mortgage, you have that option. And that flexibility gives a lot of credence to the product itself. HELOCs, you don't have that flexibility. There's a non-recourse feature, something that's unique to the reverse mortgage, where the borrower and their heirs will never owe more than what their home is worth over time, regardless of where the market goes. HELOCs do not offer that. Another option is the product is guaranteed by the FHA, insured by the FHA. And that essentially means all these benefits that you have with the product, regardless of where the market goes, you're always guaranteed access to your funds, the flexibility, and so on. So I think this product offers a lot of different features that a HELOC doesn't. And when you're looking at retirement in your 60s or 70s, you need flexibility, you need guarantees, and this is what the product offers versus, let's say, a HELOC.
How is Longbridge Financial empowering brokers to grow their businesses with these home equity products?
Great question. There's a massive opportunity right now in the space where we have $11 trillion of senior home equity that has not been tapped into. So we're going out to this space with training and marketing as much as we can. One of the initiatives we have is our Reverse Made Easy initiative. This is a dedicated account team that goes out talking to mortgage brokers, regardless of what their experience level is, to teach them how to do a reverse, everything from processing to originating to marketing to closing loans. RME has been established about 3 years ago. We're getting a lot of success there. The second thing I would say is our training. So one thing that stands out in our training right now is our micro trainings. These are 10-minute trainings on multiple topics, everything from reverse mortgage 101 to how to read a rate sheet. We know mortgage brokers are busy, so giving them access to these type of trainings where they can knock it out in 10 minutes, apply it in the real world with their clients is pretty important to us. The other thing too that stands out with our menu of products right now is our Platinum proprietary reverse mortgage. Let's call it a jumbo reverse mortgage. Typically for borrowers that have properties over $1 million, this product, which is not FHA insured, it provides more flexibility for borrowers with higher end homes and these different features that we can work around. So I think between our proprietary menu, what we offer, our training, our dedicated RME team, we really try to stand out in helping educate and bring more business into this space. As we talked about before, this opportunity is enormous. We know there's a lot of folks in their 60s and 70s looking at retirement, how to make their retirement more durable. And we think accessing home equity safely and responsibly is a way to go. I'd say if you see our We Heart Broker campaign out there on HousingWire or some other outlets, please click on that and get access to a lot of information because we do heart brokers. We appreciate them and respect them quite a bit.
Well, Adrian, it's been so great to learn more about home equity conversion mortgages and all that Longbridge Financial is doing lately. Thanks again for joining us.
Thanks for having me.